Here we go, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we're using the slow cooker. We're going to make a red apple chicken. The product that we're using for this today is our Red Apple Dark Balsamic. This has an enticing aroma and delicate sweet apple flavor, making it fruitier than most balsamic vinegars that we have in our store. It's a wonderful way of adding aroma and taste to complement almost any dish. It adds refreshing lifts to salads, sauces, chutney, and vegetables. But tonight we're going to use it with our chicken. First, for this recipe, you will need half a cup of chicken broth. So we've got that ready in our small bowl here. You're also going to need a quarter cup of Red Apple Dark Balsamic. Get that in there, add some nice color to that. As well, we're using a quarter cup of apple juice. In this one here, we have half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. In our next bowl, we have half a teaspoon of paprika, so let's get that in there. Smells so good. And as well, half a teaspoon of either dried or powdered thyme. Basically, you just want to take all that and get that all mixed up together until it's nice and well combined. Oh man, the smell is just amazing. Next, of course, you're going to have to get out your crock pot. This recipe calls for 4 pieces of chicken, either of chicken breast, thigh, drumstick, or wing. We're basically doing 1 of each piece. And also just to note, this chicken comes from Nick's Picks Organics, again off Old Highway 99. It's a beautiful organic fed chicken. So we've got our wing, we've got 1 drumstick. We're gonna get our bone-in thigh there. And the honkin' chicken breast. This was a big chicken, but beautiful pieces there. All right. Now, just to show that we're not professionals when we do this, I forgot a couple of ingredients to go in that bowl with the red apple balsamic and all that. So I am adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to that bowl right now as I speak, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now back to our regularly broadcasted video. So now that we have our proper bowl of all our ingredients, I'm just going to add that to the crock pot over the chicken. Make sure it all gets coated. Get some nice flavor on those. Now, we are going to let this sit for 4 to 5 hours on low until the chicken is nice and tender. All right, our chicken is done. Let's have the big reveal. It's beautiful. Now, what you want to do is get your chicken out of here. Look at that breast. Nice and juicy. Get some tin foil and just keep it warm. So then you want to get out a saucepan, and we're going to add 4 tablespoons of our butter infused olive oil in here. Now we have this on medium heat, and I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to this. You basically just want to mix this up until it gets nice and smooth. So as you can see, this has become nice and blended. So little by little, you want to take the renderings that's in the bottom of your crock pot and gradually add that in little by little. So it becomes a nice thick sauce. So it's just starting to boil, and that's what we want. We want to have this boiling for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and thick. So really it's like you're making your red apple gravy. So we're just going to watch this for a couple minutes. So this is the consistency that we are looking for. You can always go thicker if you want, but we're hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on our chicken. Yummy is all I have to say about this. It smells amazing. Let's get that first bite. We put this on a bed of millet, just in case you're wondering, just a little extra. So, get that gravy. Wow. Red apple, balsamic, and a gravy. Honestly, I was excited to do this, and it is delicious. I think you guys are gonna love this. You're getting into fall and autumn, and it's perfect for a meal on one of those nights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys next time. Now this balsamic has an enticing aroma and delicate So we're gonna take our wing, pop that in the crock pot. How is it in frame? As you can see at this point, it's become nice and cool. Start that again. As you can see, this has become nice and cool. So basically you want to, what?